Na Rympei U paidbah, Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
May I request the Honorable Minister in charge to make a reply, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir,
Yes.
as I've mentioned in the start, I would like through you, sir, to request either the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister to address this issue, sir. I will not listen to the Education Minister because the matter against him, sir, is so serious. It attracts Section 196 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, sir, if the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister is not addressing this issue, I'm not going to listen.
As per our practice,
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule, as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791 and Subpara 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honourable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honourable Member from Nongkrem constituency, Ardent stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line. Wherever he already used, because the
He
word
made a public
communal-
statement, sir. It is not a
communal-
personal statement. He made a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise.
Sir.
We don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garos. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech
Sir,
to be encouraged, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
It is not
statement,
a personal. It is
in
not a
the-
personal. It is a public speech
Sir,
where he made against
sir,
us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay, if FIR has been filed, so let the course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
Because he is an MLA.
conviction,
We bring
or
it inside the house
it's
because
only
he's an
the
MLA.
allegation. So sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August
There
house?
should not be no-
That
there
is
should
my point,
not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government. Sir.
as per practice, whenever any subject discussion took place regarding one department, the minister in charge of that department concerned will make a reply. So I allow Education Minister to make a reply.
Let's walk out. Yes, no. Should we listen?
Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight. Therefore, we should be educated and should be respected, and we are the good citizens. Sir, Deputy Speaker, sir. So, education makes the people integrated. Education makes the people sound life. Therefore, sir, I understand everybody is concerned about education and of the entire state. And if you need to see our state grow, if you need to see our community grow, if you need to see yourself to grow, we should be educated well.